Have you ever thought that walking can actually get you paid? In this video, I will show you people making money in that very fashion, how you can do the same thing and make even more money thanks to the bonus I will show you at the end of the video. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so as I said in that intro, as weird and unusual as it may seem, walking can actually get you paid, and it's through the use of YouTube that you will get paid as well. And let me now show you two people doing this and making a lot of money. The first channel here is called Soul Walker, and as the name suggests, the owner is simply uploading videos of himself walking, and that's literally it. This is why I said that walking can actually get you paid. With that said, take a look at how often the owner of this channel uploads these videos. In the past week, only 3 videos were uploaded. The week before, it's also 3 videos, and so on. So you don't have to upload these videos that often whatsoever. More importantly, making these types of videos is probably one of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube nowadays, and for several reasons. First off, if you open up some video from this channel, you will see that there is no fancy editing involved. If I play this video, you will see that all it consists of is just someone walking, as weird as it may seem to you, and obviously making a video like this is very simple and easy. You simply have to record yourself walking for like an hour or so. Take that entire video and just upload it onto YouTube, as easy as that. Furthermore, you can most definitely record yourself with your phone as well, so you don't need any expensive equipment to begin with. Of course, later on you might want to buy some good camera, but that's not necessary when you're starting off. Anyhow, if you come back over to the channel here, you will see that everything else is also insanely simple. The logo and cover of the channel isn't that special whatsoever, and the thumbnails are also just pictures of the place where the walk is taking place. So you don't have to be some expert in Photoshop to create these thumbnails either. In short, making these videos is very, very easy to do. I mean, recording yourself walking doesn't require that much effort from your side now, does it? Now, here is arguably the most incredible part about this. Despite the fact that everything is so simple about these videos, from the editing to the thumbnails, the most popular video on this channel has gotten 1.4 million views. And there are other videos that are quite recent with a lot of views as well. This one has 1.1 million. This one has 900,000 views. This one has 700,000 views, and so on. Based on these views, you can see that people love these videos. This is, of course, very important information, because if people love to watch something on YouTube, then it means it will get big numbers of views, and these videos do get big numbers. That, of course, means that you can make a lot of money. And by the way, you can also see that the number of subscribers is 200,000. Not anything too special, of course. There are for sure channels with more subs, but these are nevertheless still very good numbers. And with all of that said, let me now show you the actual numbers as far as money is concerned. So, how much money does the owner of this channel make, and how many views does it get on average daily? The best place to find all of that out is socialblade.com, and as you can see, according to Social Blade, the owner of this channel makes between $400 and $6,000 a month. As the numbers are in between most of the time, this means we're probably talking around about $3,000 a month. Not a mind-blowing amount of money, but it's actually a huge amount when you consider how little work you have to invest to make those types of videos. As far as the views are concerned, the total number of views that this channel has gotten is 21 million, which is a lot, of course. If we take that number and estimate the CPM, or cost per 1,000 views, at $2, that means that the owner of this channel has made like $40,000 in total. Not anything to laugh at. As far as how many views on average this channel gets per day, down here you can see that the average amount of views on a daily basis is 50,000, and that's most definitely decent. So as I said previously, people love these types of videos, and before we move on, I want to mention one last thing, which is that this channel has been around for only 2 years. It was created in May of 2019, so it took a little over 2 years for it to grow as big as it has, which, as some of you might know, is actually insane. Some big YouTube channels like PewDiePie or Mr. Beast took years before they got to the point where they are now. So this proves that you can indeed grow your channel relatively quickly, and you won't have to upload for years on end before making some decent money. With all of that said, though, that previous channel is far from the only one uploading these kinds of videos. This one here, called Wanna Walk, is doing the exact same thing, and it's also making decent amounts of money. Albeit, it's worth noting that for whatever reason, the owner stopped uploading like 7 months ago. But despite that, this channel still serves as a fantastic example of someone making money in this fashion. Check this out. The most popular video from this channel has gotten 5 million views, so even more than that previous one, despite the fact that it has nearly half the subscribers, and there are several other videos with also millions of views too. If you open up some of them, you will see that it's literally the same thing. Someone recording themselves walking, and once again, you will find no special editing whatsoever. So you don't need any skills, literally, to create these types of videos, and you can still make a lot of money creating them. And once again, the recurring theme throughout this video is that everything is simple. The thumbnails are pictures of the places where the walk is taking place, and the logo is even more simple in comparison to the previous channel, and so is the cover. So basically, everything is very similar with these two channels, and they are far from the only ones out there. With all of that said, I do have a way for you to make money with these videos. But before we get to that, the obvious first step is that you want to create a brand new YouTube channel if you don't already have one. You'll then want to create a simple logo and cover, which for the time being doesn't have to be anything special. If you do want it to be the best possible, then you can go on Fiverr.com and pay someone to create it for you, but I don't think that's necessary. With that done, now that you have your channel, the creation of the actual video is pretty straightforward. You will just take your camera or phone and record yourself walking for like an hour or so. You will then need to upload the video onto YouTube. And to do that, just click on this logo and select Upload Video below. Now, since you will not be making any money in the beginning due to not being monetized, and so you can make more money even after being monetized, I would highly recommend you try and make money through the use of affiliate marketing. And you can promote, for example, a camera that you bought from, let's say, Amazon, and just leave your Amazon affiliate link in the description box below. In this fashion, as I said previously, you will both be able to make money off of the ad revenue when you do get monetized, but you'll also be able to make some money prior to that happening as well. The last thing I want to mention is that you want to make sure the videos are at least 30 minutes long. This allows you to both put more ads in said video and thus make a lot more money per 1,000 views. But you also won't have to upload that often as a result, so it's a win-win for you. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified when a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.